Hello. Today, we're exploring a very useful website builder, Mobirise. With this tool, you don't need to know any coding, just drag and drop to build beautiful websites. Right finger in 2025, Mobirise is considered one of the best no-code website tools. It's 100% free for personal use. And the best part? It works completely offline. Yes, you can design websites even without internet access. Light bulb. So, how do you use it? Keycap 1. Visit the Mobirise website and download the software. Keycap 2. You'll find ready-made blocks like forms, image galleries, menus, and footers. Keycap 3. Whether it's a business site, portfolio, blog, or landing page, you can create it easily. Bullseye. It's a powerful tool for beginners, freelancers, and housewives alike. For more tools like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Freelance Kerala USA Sparkles. Hello. Today, we're exploring a very useful website builder, Mobirise. With this tool, you don't need to know any coding. Just drag and drop on a useful website. Right finger in 2025, Mobirise is considered one of the best no-code website tools. It's 100% free for personal use, and the most important completely offline. Yes, you can design websites even without internet access. Like Gold said, Keycap 1. Visit the Mobirise website and download the software. Keycap 2. You'll find ready-made blocks like forms, images, menus, and footers. Keycap 3. Whether it's a business site, portfolio, blog, or landing page, you can create it easily. Bullseye. It's a powerful tool for beginners, freelancers, and housewives alike. For more tools like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Freelance Kerala USA Sparkles.